Hello everybody, welcome to IT Skills channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can customize our NZXT, basically cooler, liquid cooler, to make it where you can show it. I built this computer recently. You can see it has a Ryzen 9 7900, 12 core, 64 gig of memory, and overall running Windows 11. Need to upgrade the OS, but overall it's really nice, cool system, as you can see. But one of the issue I have right now is my NZXT thing is not really updated, and I'm trying to get it updated so where it can actually show me GPU and other things. I can't show you that, guys, right now because I didn't set up to install my capture card, but I'm downloading the NZXT cam and you should be able to show visualization of my computer, hopefully, if it detects everything. The plan is to show my GPU, everything in my computer. So that way it would be something that we can see real time what's our GPU temperature. The plan I'm trying to do is run a lot of AI processes, local models. It'll be nice to actually see this. Already you can see here, it detected something. It detected my NZXT. It detected my graphic card load. Everything is detected. But if I go to cooling, it detected the temperature. CPU temperature is 45, liquid cooling 31, and then the GPU temperature is 39. So now I see the GPU is showing up. It is amazing, and it's showing the CPU temperature about that. That's what we wanted to see. It's really cool that we can see this. You can see the pump is silent, everything is silent. We don't have a whole lot of sound. If I had a capture card, I'll do the same thing. If I had a mouse, same thing. I don't have a keyboard. I don't have a lightning. I do have a lightning. It says LCD, lightning, Kraken, elite ring channel. So let's see if I turn this down, what does it do? That's the one. How about this one? That's that one. That one's the other one, but for some reason, this LCD display over there, you can make it dark or you can make it light. But this is good. GPU temperature is good. The CPU temperature is good. Liquid cooling is good. It's amazing. And if I had any audio, I will be seeing it. System specs, as you can see, this is my system specs. We have AMD Ryzen 9 7900. We have the NVIDIA RTX 5090. We also have the motherboard ASUS 8B850F gaming. And you have Corsair DR5 632 gig stick. We have Samsung storage. We also have an audio driver. We also have Wi-Fi 7. And here is our overall power. And it's overall a nice system. I like this. And this is what it's all about. If I go to PC monitoring, you can see again my real-time monitoring, what's happening. And so that's what we want. So now we have this. I could go ahead and let's pull up our Ollama. So let's open Docker. We did this already in the previous video. You can definitely see it. But what we want to do is we want to go to our Docker container, which is opening up, and we can take a look to see. So what we want to do is open this one over here. For some reason, it did not open. I wonder why. Actually open right now. So let's see. Now we're here. The CPU right now is currently at 60. I'm watching it. Let me just say hi. This is usually requires a lot of memory. So let's see how does it do now. So it's taking a second. This is a very big, heavy model, heavy requirement. So CPU is 66, GPU is 40, CPU is 64, GPU is 40. So it hasn't hit 100 yet. GPU is 41 right now. So Llama 4, I should be able to use it, but I think somehow this is set to use it. Now it's coming back. So it says, how can I assist you? It took a little bit. It's not real time or anything. Can you write me a PowerShell script that checks systems health and power consumption and output it to nice HTML with beautiful design along with the CPU, GPU, and other system information. So we're going to do this. This is a little bit bigger. Let's see what it's going to do. So we send it away. So it's quick responsive. Usually the first time I did this, it took a little bit longer. Somehow the GPU is still at 41% and it's writing the script. So this is not any special model. It's just Llama 4 latest. And it's a big one. It has actually a big context token window. So I like the fact that it's doing it for us. And this is one of the reasons why we got this computer, is so we can actually interact with it. So I just basically, again, just query some basic stuff. And it's actually now making HTML for us. Pretty nice so far. Let's see what happens when it's finished. All right, so the script is done. And let's see what we can do. We're going to save this into a notepad and then run it. Or we can do it in, we can save it in Visual Studio Code. So let's actually launch Visual Studio Code and save it there. Copy and paste there. So we're going to go to New, Open Folder. We're going to go to Scripts folder and we're going to select this. Then we're going to create a new one. Check CPU, check systems, info.ps1. This is not a big programmer model, so I'm curious to see what it's going to do. So looks like it's guessing something. It may be not complete, but let's see if it is. So I'm not going to add anything to it. I'm going to hit save and I'm going to go ahead to PowerShell. So that way we can actually see this. cd colon scripts and then that backslash check system info. Here goes something. Let's see if Ollama is actually reliable. Ollama 4 is checking so far. It says system information info has been saved. So let's see if it did save it. So here it is, the system info. Let's open it up. It didn't actually, it got the memory. Actually, the memory is not even right. Nothing is right in here. So this is interesting. Ollama 4 failed completely. I'll take the same query though, because again, we are gonna see if this is just basically Llama 4 code or if my command is wrong. So we're gonna go ahead and choose a different model. The model that I think would be good in this case is DeepSeek Coder. We all hear about DeepSeek. The difference is this is running on our local machine. So let's try asking the same query. It's also a heavy model, so we'll give it a shot. The initial prompt takes a little bit longer to get the local AI agent to understand, but here it is. It's now doing something. This is designed for special coding, so I almost bet it should be better, but never say never. So it's actually very short, extremely short. So that could mean flawless, that could mean bad. We will find out in a second. So right now, for the sake of this, I'm gonna overwrite this because I don't want to have a bunch of files. So let's just overwrite this, close this, and then paste this in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and save it. All right, it could fail to run or it could run. So let's just go ahead and then hit check system info. It actually failed to run. System can't find temp system info. That's not actually a problem. We just need to change the path actually. So the path instead of temp, so we're just gonna go ahead scripts and then we're gonna output it there new and then we're gonna save it. So that is not a bad error to get if that's the only error we got. So in this case, we're gonna check and then see what happens. It said he exported. Let's see it. Better. CPU usage 15, memory, and then the disk size is good. It's good. It could be more detailed, but it's very good. It got it knocked down in the first try. So this is not gonna be we could try another model. Let's try one more model because this is what we had before and this is what we end up now with DeepSeek Coder. This is what Llama 4 gave us. Let's try something else because I like the fact that we're doing this. We're gonna try another model that is supposedly good at doing what it's supposed to do. In this case, good at coding. So this model, it's gonna be none other than, it's Qwen 3 Coder. It may not be ready, that one though. Let's try. Qwen 3 Coder may not be able to run. It's actually the largest model out here. So let's come over here, paste it. This may kill the system. Can't run because it didn't download it. It says here it needs more system memory. Shit. Available. I can't even run it here. Oh God, that's not cool. So I need probably the one with the less parameter, but right now I don't have it that installed. So we can't do that right now. We can only use DeepSeek Coder. We could try another version. How about this one? I bet it's the same DeepSeek with 671 parameter. It's also another one that I need to just uninstall. Test. I'm just gonna say hi. Yep, it can't run because again it needs crazy memory. We at least can't run anything that is about 50 gig and something like that because my memory, I don't have that much memory. This thing requires crazy memory. So you guys seen it first. Hopefully you like this type of video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, peace.